Hello viewers, this is Global Cooking Studio and today we'll be making roti. It is also known as chapati, phulka, etc. Roti is a flat bread and it is native to the Indian subcontinent and made from stone ground wholemeal flour. So the recipe is pretty simple. We add water and salt into the flour and make it a dough, and then we make it like round figure and put it in the tawa, we call it, or fry pan, and fry it. That's all. So simple. So let's do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and give us your opinion. Have a good day. Bye.